welcome to my channel. If you're new, Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, hello, I'm Akriti, and if you're back, welcome back. Make sure you hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that you're notified every time I come online. And today I'm doing something that I'm really excited about because this is something that I love doing. और आपने टाइटल से पढ़ ही लिया होगा, iOS 14 has just launched. And I wanted to show you guys how we can customize our home screens and how to make your phone even more aesthetic. I get a lot of questions about my phone, and today I'm finally gonna do
what is on my iPhone
video, and I'm really excited about it because मैंने literally 3 घंटे लगा के अपना home screen set किया है ये सोच के कि मेरा aesthetic क्या है, and I'm super excited to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Yay!
So I am extremely motivated by the home edit. I love everything rainbow and I love the rainbow aesthetic. So I organized all my icons according to their color. Also मेरे को ना ये shortcuts वाली चीज़ पसंद नहीं है कि आपका फ़ोन का आइकन चेंज करना हो तो पहले shortcuts लॉन्च होता है और फिर आइकन लॉन्च होता है. So I don't like that glitch जो होता है बीच में. इसलिए I did not change any of the icons. I only added widgets. If you want to customize your screen, please download the Widgetsmith, which is an amazing application that lets you do so much on your phone. I'm not even kidding. So as you can see, this is my lock screen. This is Chandler and Joey, and I love this wallpaper. Now when we unlock it, this is my home screen ka pehla page. It has a normal iPhone ka widget, which is temperature because weather is important. Second is my calendar. Then I have this cute photo with mama on the first page to match the grey black aesthetic of the first page. My home page wallpaper is very subtle. I did not want to add much color to it, but it's little bit of blue so that it also goes well with my lock screen, and really love this. On the first page we have camera settings, clock, voice notes. Then we have CoStar, which is basically an astrological app. It shows you all of these it says things about your day, and you know, essay basically it says good things. So I love this app. And we have motivation. It is basically daily quotes and you know stuff like आज का विचार, and it keeps me motivated. I love this app. Then we have productivity. I have prequel because I love this app. Then I have minimalist, जिसके बारे में मैं already बहुत बात कर चुकी हूँ, but this is basically a to-do type of list. You swipe down to type your task that you want to do, and if you want to already mark something that you've done or cut it out of your list, you just swipe right. Then I have calendar application, I have calculator, and I have a wallet on the first page. Second page is very colorful. I love the vibe of this page. It has cute widgets. It is a
family of my family.
It is a photo of my family, photo of me when I was super happy, and a photo of me with my best friends. And I love this page. It has gallery, Google Photos because backup lena zaruri hai, reminders, preview is basically an app that shows me how my Instagram is gonna look. Yes, so I basically just plan posts like it. Or for health, then I have a period calendar application, which is super important. It says days left for my period, and I know about it, so that. Then we have InShot. Everybody knows about InShot. And then Swiggy. Next page is for the greens and the yellows of icons on my phone. I have this cute widget of me and my sister. Then we have messages, tips, WhatsApp notes, Opa, which is basically a campaign application, Spotify, Snapchat, and Ludo King. I don't know why do I have Ludo King. Anyway, next page is blue, and love this page. I have two cute widgets, which is one is the clock, and the time is moving, right? The clock is ticking. And we have Paytm, weather, app store, files, Truecaller, drink water application, which reminds you to drink water. This is very important. I love this application. It reminds me every hour that I have to drink water, and I love it. Then we have Twitter, then we have Widgetsmith, obviously जिससे सारा कुछ magic हुआ है. And then we have a widget that we made on my own. It is my bucket list, which says explore the world. Next is a purple orange vibe, lilac vibe. I have 4 icons on it, which is iMovie, MS Teams for my online classes, and Instagram and PixArt. I also have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 widgets. One of them is a photo with
him.
We have this beautiful quote in the Korean language, which I'm obviously obsessed with. It says, I would live my own life and make my own choices so that I don't regret anything. Then we have another widget, which is lilac sky photo with fine lines showing as it's playing, and I love Fine Lines, the song, and lilac skies are obviously my favorite. So then we have a photo with Tamandeep Kaur Oberoi. I really love this human being. And the last widget is a photo of me. It has a cute minion in the background, which is not as happy as I am in the front, but it just went well with the vibe of this page, so I added that widget. Next, this is my favorite page, सारे में से. This has a red orange vibe. Beach में I have a BTS widget, obviously. Then I have this stack of widgets. It basically moves, like it keeps changing automatically. I don't know कितने टाइम में चेंज होता है, बट होता है, ये दोनों चेंज होते हैं. एंड मैंने ये सारे विजिट्स एक साथ स्टैक करके बनाया. दीज आर बेसिकली फोटोज़ विच रीड वर्ड्स दैट हैव डीप शिट मीनिंग, एंड आई लव वर्ड कॉस्मोस, सो I just had to add it on my screen. On this page we have YouTube, obviously. Then we have InShorts, which is a news application. Then we have YouTube Studio for all the notifications of your lovely comments on my videos. Then we have Wink Music, H&M, Pinterest, Mac Delivery, which is for McDonald's food, and AliExpress, because I like this shopping application. Also, you might have noticed I don't have Netflix on my phone. I don't have Amazon Prime. I don't have Hotstar, and no, I don't watch all of this content on my phone because I like watching it on my laptop, and if I have it on my phone, I spend a lot of time on it. Next, this is my app library, and yeah, these are all my applications. Let me show you what we have here. Okay, so this is the widget library wala jagah. So सबसे पहले we have search application. Then we have batteries, because when I connect it to AirPods or my MacBook, उसका बैटरी यहाँ reflect हो जाता है, so it's handy. Then we have gallery. Then we have clocks. Okay, this one is interesting. The first one is New Delhi, the second one is New York for my EST, because कई बार Instagram पे और YouTube पे content डालने से पहले I check if they will be enough engagement at this time, so I match it with EST time because all these applications have EST time going on. Then we have one clock for a soul, because I am obsessed with Korea and everything Korean, so I have to know what time is it, वहाँ क्या time हो रहा होगा वाली चीज़. And the last one is Paris. Then we have motivation का एक quote का widget इधर, so that I can always read a good quote in the morning or the evening or whenever I'm feeling not so motivated during the day, so it's handy. Then we have screen time, so that I manage my screen time, वरना बहुत ही ज़्यादा madness हो जाता है. Then we have minimalist, so that I can see my tasks that I have to do. सही side में is again very handy. Next we have InShorts ka, so that you know I can, if I'm ever interested in news, I can be updated. Also, I forgot कि यहाँ नीचे 4 जगह पे क्या है. So I have calls, then I have Safari, Gmail. I don't use mails, I use Gmail. I don't know why I do not use mails. And Apple Music. This is my phone for you all. Now let's talk about how to make widgets using Widgetsmith. I'm gonna show you quickly. So first of all, you guys have to decide if you want a small widget or a medium widget or a large widget. So for example, I want a small widget. Though I open it, then I rename it as YT YT. Oops. Okay, so I rename as YT because I'm doing it for a YouTube video, so I will remember. और फिर उसके बाद we click on the default widget to make changes, and voila, here is where the magic begins. You have a lot of styles कि आपको क्या चाहिए, जैसे कि calendar, month या date, week number. I don't have week number on my phone. Okay. Next, you can add a photo, photos in album, custom text, or keep it blank. I would want to add a custom text, which, no, actually I don't want to add a custom text. I want to go ahead with the week. Then you have a lot of options for fonts. I will choose something that I really find clean and tidy, which is New York. Yes, tint color, not sure if I want to change it. I will keep it white. And then background color, oh my god, the background color collection is so cute, so cute. They have pastels and whatnot. It's amazing. So I think I'm gonna go with the pastel purple because it's super cute. Yes. Border, do I want to add a border? No, I don't. So this is my widget. Now I'm gonna save it. Okay, now I'm gonna go to the jiggle mode. Long press on the screen to get into jiggle mode. Edit home screen, we have come to the jiggle mode. Then we go to the next screen, add a widget. We find Widgetsmith here. We add a small widget, and here also if you want to change the widget, so for example I want the fine lines widget here, I can choose it. Either say yeah, फिर I can find all the widgets that I have here. I'm gonna go with YT, and voila, it's here. So this is how easy Widgetsmith is, and I love this. I'm going to remove it because I don't want an extra homepage. So guys, this was it for today's video. I really hope you guys liked this video and found it, I don't know, interesting. I spent a lot of time organizing my home pages, and I felt like you guys should know what I'm spending a lot of time on. I just wanted to play around with this new update, you know. Oh, should I talk about new updates? So this really cool thing that I like about the new update is that if I tap twice on the back, it clicks a screenshot, and when I tap it 1, 2, 3 times, it locks itself. I mean, how cool is that? My phone is locked. So I love this. और ऊपर से और भी बहुत सारे cool updates हैं, जैसे कि Siri और वो कॉल वाला तो obviously सबको पता ही है. And I think it's so cool. I love it. And और कुछ बोलने के लिए है नहीं. If you guys like this video, please do not forget to give this a thumbs up so that this video can reach a lot of people, and comment down below if you guys would want to know more about me, like in person, and I will make sure that I make videos like those. Also, do not forget to share this video if you really find it interesting, and if you really like it. I hope it was helpful. I don't know क्या था, but
Okay.
also do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the cute little bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you're notified every time I post an update. I will see you guys very soon. Till then, keep loving yourself, guys, because you deserve every little penny of love, and I love you guys so much. I will see you. Till then. Ta-ta.